Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and bell button so that you will never miss my any other videos. Today's video is about how to make your phone as like Pixel or Pixel 2 XL. Let's begin the video guys. Let's get started guys. See, this is really Pixel and Pixel 2 XL launcher. You can see this, the transparency and everything. I have kept in rotate mode, so it's like this. If you are having in portrait mode, you will get your search bar here, so that it will be same to same as Pixel. I will show you now how to download and install it. We need a third-party app for installing this. First, go to Play Store. This LAUNHER. Just search for it. If you don't get this link, don't worry guys, I will give this link in description and just click on it and go directly here. I have already installed, so it's asking uninstall. Here you will get installed, just click and allow it. So it's just 1.4 MB. After this, just click on home. It will be asking your default as this launcher, and you will get this theme and launcher. See, you have more features here in this launcher. Just go back, you can select anything, the same you will be there. Thanks for watching my video guys. Don't forget to comment below and subscribe, like or dislike my video. Thanks for watching guys.